Okay, so this is going to be the heater I use for my IKEA hobo stove. And the idea I had was to use this, since it actually fits pretty good, so I can tell it's not going to dry out. When I put in the thing, this is actually a Pringles thing. And yeah, and I'm cut to clean the rest of this out, but had chickpeas tonight for dinner, if y'all wondering. When I can afford it, I get Goya. When I can't, I get Hanover. They're like 79 cents per thing. Now, this is a, let me see, this is a 15.5 ounce, which in terms is actually a 15 ounce. But yeah, so yeah, this is to be a good idea to use on top of this, because as you see, it it creates a top for it when I'm not using it. Bam, you know. And I do have some cheap uh, toilet paper I can use for this. It don't matter, it's the dollar stuff. I can afford that. Anyway, peace, y'all.